today I'm going to be better than yesterday. Today I will be 1% better, just 1% better than yesterday. And if you're going to do it every day for that year, then by the end of the year, you will be 365% better than the last year. Only changing yourself 1% than yesterday can transform your life. We need to understand one thing, that our life can never be stable. On the other hand, our life is just like a roller coaster. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down, sometimes it halts, sometimes it runs fast, sometimes it goes zigzag. And when we experience all these dramas in our life, we tend to experience negative outcomes. And because of all these negative outcomes, we feel negativity inside us. Negativity like anxiety, distress, anger, frustration, failure, unproductiveness. There are so many negative emotions that we feel in our life day in and day out. And because of all these things, we cannot heal our life. We cannot run towards positivity. We cannot follow the track towards prosperity. How could you expect to even be successful in your life? And probably most importantly, how could you even expect to be happy? Happiness is the true sense of being successful. The number one thing that we need in this life is to be happy from within, from inside. But as we are hurling with all these negative emotions, it's next to impossible to sustain positivity in our life. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 7 pointers that will help you out to regain, to heal your life again, to bring back positivity that is probably lost somewhere. If you do it everything which I told you on a daily basis, just for a couple of minutes, every day, then believe me, you can transform your life. And I can assure you this will make you happy. So watch this video till the end so that you can understand everything. Before giving you all the 7 pointers, it's just a humble request. It will hardly take 5 seconds to hit like, do hit subscribe and hit the bell icon so that every time when I upload a video, you get notified. So let's start with this topic. Number 1 is to isolate yourself. You need to isolate yourself from the people who affect your mental stability. There are a lot of people out there who brings negativity in your life. And you can feel it. You can feel it within yourself. That this person is talking rubbish and I don't need that thing in my life. It's better to say no. It's better to say stop. You need to isolate yourself from all the negativity which is surrounding you. It can be your environment, it can be some people, and it's your job to understand that right now you want to be healed. And this process can only be done when you are positive from within, when your environment is good, when you're feeling the thirst that yes, I want to transform myself. And how could you do it? The number 1 step is to isolate yourself from all the negative people around you so that you can feel your own veins, a veins towards positivity that will bring you happiness from within, because this is your life and you mean to change it. You need to be successful. You need to be happy, right? So isolate yourself as soon as possible. Number 2 is stop overthinking. Instead of overthinking, start seeing situations practically so that they can be accepted. It's very easy to overthink in any given situation. But if you want to heal yourself, then you need to accept the scenario. Yes, something happened bad in your life. Now what? The question is, now what? But if you feel like a victim every day, then believe me, you can never heal in your life. You will be hurling with negative outcomes. You will feel anxiety. You will always surround yourself in fear. And these emotions will haunt you down and bring you down towards the ground. And you can never get up, believe me. So stop overthinking. Concentrate on your present situation right here, right now. Like, okay, this thing happened in my life. Now what? What I can do now to transform myself? What I can do, what steps that I could take right now that will help me out in bringing back the best version of myself. Try to understand yourself. Try to understand your own thought process. That's what's going on inside me. Good things, bad things are part of our life. Our life is just like a heartbeat. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. Right now, we are in a negative phase, but we can always overcome it by taking first step towards prosperity. So stop overthinking, understand yourself, and process yourself towards healing, towards the betterment that will heal your life in the coming future. Do it. Number 3 is self-growth. You need to become addictive towards self-growth and productivity. It's like you need to transform your mind from thinking negativity towards productivity, towards self-growth. And how could you do that? By understanding your own inner self. Having this kind of mindset that today I'm going to be better than yesterday. Today I will be 1% better, just 1% better than yesterday. And if you're going to do it every day for that year, then by the end of the year, you will be 365% better than the last year. Only changing yourself 1% than yesterday can transform your life. Improve your skills. Do anything that you truly love. Understand yourself. And every day, just make sure that you will do better than yesterday, just 1%. This is called a self-improvement. This is called a growth mindset. This is called a productivity. And you can do it. Understand? Feel the thrust within that, yes, I'm going to transform my life no matter what. I will change myself from negativity towards positivity, and yes, I will do it. Number 4 is to talk to your best friends daily. Best friends are your best souls. They understand you completely. They know all your secrets. They know all your setbacks. If you've been heartbroken, you are the first person, the friend, the best friend that will notice you and will understand you and will give you guidance. So it's always important when you are in the verge of transforming yourself from negativity towards positivity. It's very important to have your best friend besides you. If you cannot meet, at least talk to that person on a regular basis, every day for like 15 to 20 minutes minimum, because that will help you out in bringing out the positivity, because that person gives you happiness. And happiness is the one thing which we are seeking right now. Number 5 is to make good connection with your parents. You need to make a good connection with your parents and try to open up with them as much as you can, because your parents were the number one thing that will understand you. Because after all, they are your parents. They will understand you. I understand that you have a mindset that there is a huge generation gap between them. And that's going to happen in every generation. But it doesn't mean that in this negative scenario, something that you are facing right now, and you want to transform yourself, then your parents will help you out no matter what. They will heal you out. So it's very important to have a good connection with your parents no matter what, because they will help you out. I understand that this young generation don't understand this. They feel like your parents won't understand you, but talk to them. Try, take that first step, take that initiative, and believe me, they will help you out in resolving this issue. And you will be happy because you will be proud of yourself that you took that first step, that first initiative to talk to your parents about this situation that is probably digging you inside towards negativity. Talking to your parents will definitely heal you towards positivity. Number 6 is learn meditation and yoga. Meditation help you out in transforming your mind in the present moment, right here, right now. If you're facing any negative scenario in our life, that is something which happened in the past, right? But if you meditate on a daily basis, just for like 5 minutes in a day, just 5 minutes, then meditation will help you out in bringing your mind towards this moment, right here, right now, this present moment. Because meditation helps you concentrate towards the thing which is happening in this precise moment. Meditation will help you out in forgetting your past and stop thinking about the future, and will help you out in concentrating in this moment. And if you can do yoga for just like 10 to 15 minutes on a daily basis, then that's the best thing that you can ever do to heal yourself. Yoga heal your entire body. Yoga help you understand your own heartbeat. And yoga will transform your life from the worst to the best, I can assure you that. You can find how to do yoga and meditation all over the internet. So do it. Last but not the least, the 7th point, and one of the most important point, is start reading spiritual books. Start reading all the spiritual books and start listening to the mentors and all the intellectual people out there. This will help you out in bringing back the positivity that you probably have lost. Because when you're thinking all the positive things in your life, it will multiply by 10 and bring back in your life. Start listening to all the spiritual mentors out there. They will help you out in transforming yourself, because they will help you out in helping you knowing yourself better. And when you can go inside your body and feel your breath and feel your mind, this will help you out in bringing back the best version of yourself, because now you understand yourself. And this will help you out in healing you towards positivity and will remove all the burden which you are facing right here, right now. So I hope you understand all these 7 pointers, and I hope you're going to do it. You're going to implement it in your life. Do let me know in the comment section what you feel. If you like this video, do give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Do share it with your family, friends. Till then, watch this next video. This will also help you out in understanding yourself for your own betterment. My name is Vaibhav Nigam. Till then, I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.